Good morning, everyone. This is Ronsell and hey, how are you, man?
I am you, but better.
I see. You don't have a hat like this?
No, I have better.
You look like going somewhere.
Look like going nowhere.
What's up guys, this is Ronsell and for today's video I'm gonna share what casual belt to choose if you're a thin guy like me. So let's hop into it. Best belt to choose is like this one. The belt with 2 squared metals. Good thing about this kind of belt is that you can use your freedom of choice. What I mean is it is adjustable. Whatever or how millimeter you want to adjust or how thin you are. That's why I love this. Is it perfect? How to wear this? Just easy. Silence please. And it is done. Told ya, easy. Hello again everybody, in this tutorial we will learn some techniques.
Ron! Ay, nagbibideo ka pala, sorry!
Huwag magluto na
Sorry!
Ano ginagawa niyo? Ano yan?
Sorry.
Ay, video pala. Video pala.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucking house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucking house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. I'm bored in the motherfucking house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucking house bored. I'm bored, 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 bored. I'm bored, 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 bored. Hey, I need me a thick chick.
Hi guys, Ronsell here and I just made this clip just to create something new to my newsfeed. And today is November 2, my birthday, and I'm 18 years old last year and 19 now. I myself really don't celebrate my day. People like family and friends do that for me. And I just say, oh, thanks mom, thanks dad, and thanks bro, thanks cousin, thanks strangers,